Life before Transformed was stressful. Stressful for my family. It was hard on my marriage. It was very stressful for me. I couldn't get everything done in a day. I just felt like I had to bear the weight of the world, and I couldn't keep up with it. And life after Transformed was, it calmed down. I learned how to make plans, how to implement plans, how to stick to the plan, and organize my business, and not just organize my business, but organize my time. So prioritize with my family and my wife, and realize that I don't have to be my business. I can create a business and have other people work it, and it just took a lot of the stress off.
Does the struggles Shane was experiencing resonate with you? Do you want to get your business to the next level and find more margin in your life? Do you want a business that brings glory to God? Agora Transform is a business class for Christian business owners. It meets 1 day a month for 13 months, and we follow a curriculum to bring more discipline and focus on what really matters, and gives you a strategic, tangible plan to clarify, then accomplish your goals and what success means to you, which is usually different than what the world's meaning of success is. We are going to be starting a Transform class near you. Please contact us for more information, and let's revamp your business for God's glory.